In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an image from the asset library using Chrome. To begin, open Chrome and go to your main account dashboard. From the sidebar navigation, access the asset library so you can see the file manager interface. Once you're there, you should be looking at the grid overview where your stored media assets are displayed as rows or thumbnails. Take a moment to get oriented in this view, especially if your library contains a large number of files. Next, locate the specific image asset you want to extract from your media catalog. Look carefully through the thumbnail grid and find the exact visual file you need. It's a good idea to double-check the thumbnail before moving forward, particularly if there are several similar-looking graphics in the same folder. When you found the correct image, move your cursor over that thumbnail. As you hover over the asset, look for the small ellipsis icon, usually shown as 3 dots, positioned somewhere along the boundary or corner of that item. Click that icon to reveal the available options connected to that media file. This is the control that gives you access to the preview area you need for the next part of the process. After that, a larger preview of the image should appear on your screen. In the full-size preview window, place your cursor directly over the displayed image itself. Then right-click on the main image area to open Chrome's context menu. Make sure you're clicking on the image and not on an empty part of the screen or interface, since that could show the wrong menu. From the context menu, choose the option labeled Save Image As. This tells Chrome that you want to download the currently displayed image file to your computer. If you don't immediately see the option, pause for a second and confirm that the right click was done directly on the image preview. Once the save window opens, choose the folder on your local computer where you want the file to be stored. You can save it to your desktop or any directory that makes sense for your workflow. Then enter a clear file name so the image will be easy to identify later. When everything looks correct, click Save. At that point, the image file will be downloaded from the asset library and stored in the location you selected, and that's the full process for pulling an image asset from the library using Chrome.